Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation by Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. So today we will talk about on some specific topic, that is contribution of Dr. Pankaj Kumar in orchid biology. So let's get started. So first of all, we should know who is Pankaj Kumar. So Pankaj Kumar is an archaeologist and he has very great experience in orchid biology, and he has collaborative efforts, or you can say collaboration with government officials, experts and non-experts to enhance orchid research and conservation. And he has worked in many aspects of orchid, such as threat identification and ecological reintroduction, conservation programs, and many more are there. So these are some of his contribution to orchid biology. So this is his papers where I have took this all information. So these are the two new species of bulbophyllum from Bhutan. So in at the downwards I have written the citation. You can also go through it personally, and if you want to know more about it, about bulbophyllum gurujianum, so this is his contribution. So in this bulbophyllum species, it is an epiphytic with creeping rhizomes and spreading roots. So this is a habitat and habit. Then flower are not widely open. Sepals and petals are purple. Labellum and pale yellow with purple tint on the disc. So he has described every little details of the flower and every little details of where you can find it. So you can also go through it and get to know about this species. And the flowering period is from October to November, and the fruiting from November to December in situ. So this is the one new species from Bhutan. Then we will move to our next species. Then Bulbophyllum punachensis. So this is an epiphytic with creeping rhizomes and spreading roots. So he has beautifully presented the floral pattern and how you can get to identify it from these small informations, or you can say in paper it is well written about some very minute details, how you can identify it and what are the other aspects of it. So you can go through it personally, and it is in International Journal of Archaeology. In that journal you will find also. So it is an epiphytic with rhizome and spreading root, and the flower is not widely open. Lateral sepals are maroon. Median sepals and petals labellum with white with purple patches. So these are the flower identification. Then comes to their flowering pattern. So flowering is from October to November and fruiting from November to December. So this I have taken from one paper. Then we will move to their other contribution. Then his other contribution is in Crepidium a phylum, a new record from Bhutan, and it is published in Journal of Threatened Taxa. As a researcher, everybody must know that Journal of Threatened Taxa is a reputed journal, and if you have their published in that journal, it will be a very more impactful for your future aspects. Then now move to our this Crepidium a phylum. So this is a small leafless, probably partly mycoheterotrophic, terrestrial or lithophytic herb. So it has beautifully described, or you can say every single details describe that how it is can you even identify this. It is a lithophytic herb, and sometimes a terrestrial. It has a small and leafless, and the flower is foremost part is that the flower is sheet like, facing forward, non-recipient, then colored uniformly in pale yellow with dull purple towards edges. So these are the flower characters, and the flowering period is from June to July. So in this paper, in the downwards, I have also written the citations where you can personally go through this paper and get to know about their small detailing and other details you want to know. Then move to our next contribution, Calanthe davidi. So this is an terrestrial herb generally growing in clusters and 35 to 90 cm tall in vegetative phase, corms covered with leaf sheaths. Flower is mostly pale yellow to green, as you can see in this picture. So I have taken this from this paper only. So you can also personally go through it and get to know about the every detailing of the flower, flowering pattern and habitat and habit and other aspects are there. So as it is mainly grow in evergreen coniferous forest from in the state of Himachal Pradesh, so where it has maybe taken, and the flowering is from early July to August, fruiting from September to October. So these are some of the information I have shown it over here, but for full information kindly go through this citation that I have given at the downwards, so you can get to know about this Calanthe davidi. Then move to our next contribution of Pankaj Kumar. Then comes to our Bulbophyllum torrensines. So this is also one of their main contribution to orchid biology. So this new species is reported from Bhutan by Dr. Pankaj Kumar, and you can get this paper from Phytotexa. And so this specifically this orchid is epiphytic herb, semi-erect, and roots are terete, then glabrous, mainly located below the pseudobulbs, and the flower is pinkish green, surface light red spotted, and others informations are also there that I have not written over there, but you can look through this paper and get to know about other detailings of the flower structure. And the flowering period is from September to November. So these are some of his contribution that I have shown over here, but there are many more contribution he has that you can go through personally through Wikipedia, or you can say ResearchGate and LinkedIn, and many other sites are there where you can get to know about the information on his contribution mainly on orchid. Then comes to our Bulbophyllum spathulatum. So Bulbophyllum spathulatum is an epiphytic herb. Roots are terete, rhizome creeping, and it is covered with membranous sheaths. Old sheaths are brownish, then new sheaths greenish yellow with purple mouth spotted. And the flower is long, including pedicel and ovary. It is like a golden yellow with reddish brown spotted. So with every detailing he has also given a scientific, or you can say photographic evidence over here. So if you ever get confused that how it will look and how it will know, so this is from this paper you can directly go through it and get to know about their how the old sheets are looking brownish and how the new sheets are greenish yellow. So from this paper you can get to know about it. Then the flower, as I have told, that the flowering period is from mid-February to end of March. The fruit is mature from May to September. So for other information you can go to the down where I have written the citation over there. So these are for all. For the next part 2 I will also present some of Dr. Pankaj Kumar contribution to orchid biology and what his papers are published in a reputed journal, and I will show you that his very great contribution to our archaeologists, I mean who are interested in orchids, must go through the work that he has carried on. So you can get to know about the distribution and get to know about how such species or genus can be identified, and what small minute details should be written, or how the paper writing should be done. So these are some of the aspects that you can go through it. So thank you for watching. These are for all. Then for the next part 2, I will talk about some of other his contributions. So thank you for watching.